Week 28 of Ironman training. Here with my love. 12th of September. Smash burger and chicken burger. It was a really good burger, 4 out of 5. Anyway, it was a nice view.
The next day.
Week 28 of Ironman training. Damn, I really have to take a leak. Ooh, I'm feeling like the horse of a fire station. Ooh. Ooh, that felt good. Feeling like a fresh man who killed the Kennedys. By the way, I changed these normal laces to quick laces so I can just slip these on. Alright, I'm 40 minutes in. Kan jag inserta 12.5 minutes zone 4. Always good to do some zone 4. Ooh, feel good, man. They don't know me, son. That's it. Whoo! Fuck you, inner bitch. I once again beat your ass. Woo! Alright, I just finished the run. 1 hour run, 10 kilometers something. It was a good one. Now I'm gonna go home. Barca Bayern game starts in an hour or 2. And we all know who's gonna win. Una bandera blanca, Visca el Barça. Alright guys, what's up? It's Thursday. Whether you like it or not, I'm biking. It's afternoon, I got out of work and I'm just chilling, biking. The special place. Alright, look. I'm an IT guy. I code. My job is to code. So why do I code? Do I like computers? No. I like money, and code is one way for me to make money. Do I like the code? Oh hell no. I like the money. Almost there. Alright, I just got here. It took me 40 minutes. 16.5 kilometers. Ooh, I'm sweaty. Alright, so I came here to the airport, watch some planes. Because this is what I do. Because I like to do this. Believe me, I'm good at what I do. Alright, I just started running. I did a quick change. It's really quick change because of this quick laces. I'm able to put these shoes on quickly. Gonna end just here. About 15 minutes. It was a good one. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Alright, it's Friday evening and it's time to go running. Woo! Let's see. Woo! I'm just gonna do nice and easy run, not too long. LFG. Anyways, I'm gonna sprint this uphill. Ooh. Nice evening weather. Embrace the suck, adapt to the suck. Sometimes life can really hijack your mind. When that happens to you, you're all fucked up. Your goals, your ambitions, everything's out the fucking window. In life we are all going through the different things. Sometimes your girlfriend or boyfriend breaks up to you. Guess what? Get over it. They no longer want you. Maybe you fail a test at school, you work your ass off. Guess what? You failed the fucking test. Get over it. Learn to let not life hijack your brain. In work, you work your ass off for one promotion. You don't get it. Someone else gets it. Maybe they kiss better ass than you. Guess what? Get over it. And don't let life own your mind. That's from David Goggins. What he's trying to say is stay fucking hard. What I did a year ago when I started losing weight, I didn't do no special diet. I didn't do any special shit. What I basically did, I stopped eating so much fucking food. It's not rocket science. Alright, almost done. Just gonna take a last sprint and end there. Alright, that's it. 50 minutes, 8 kilometers. Whew. See you tomorrow, bike. Alright, it's Saturday noon. I'm gonna go biking. This is gonna be the last long ride before the race, because in 2 weeks I'm gonna have to race 2 weeks one day. I really don't want to do this, but who does? I'm gonna fucking do it. Oh yeah, let's go. I don't know why, but my legs are sore right from the start. If you look closely, you can see the moon. There's much on the lens. Beautiful weather. The forecast said it should rain today, but they don't know nothing. They don't know me, son. Alright, I'm 2 hours and 26 minutes in. 60 kilometers. Woo! Alright, so you creeps can come stalk where I live. I'm gonna tell you I'm almost home. Over 3-hour ride. Feeling good, man! Alright, that's it. 83 kilometers, 3 hours 22 minutes. Ooh, I'm ready for the Ironman. I almost feel like Ironman already.
The next day.
Alright, I just started running and I know what you're thinking. When did you wake up? An hour ago. How much is the time now? 9:30. I think this is the last longer run before the race, so I'm feeling extremely well. Alright, I'm 1 hour, 10 kilometers in. Damn, this is good. This raspberry high five is the best one.